I'm Dennis Tomes. I'm the Technical Manager at Universal Metal Protection Limited, and my job here is to keep the plant running, to make sure that everything stays in production for 16 hours a day. The company is an electroplating company, which means we are essentially a service industry. We don't have products of our own, so we're dealing with companies that sort of bring their products in here for us to put a coating onto. The sort of range of products that we electroplate is quite vast. I mean, we do what we call barrel electroplating, which means that very small things like nails and screws, washers and anything small. Then we go right through to what we call rack plating, where we can do the biggest things we can do are up to 2.7 metres long. Some of our customers are some of the bigger companies like Fisher & Paykel, Gallagher Engineering and many of the larger manufacturers around Auckland. For me, I suppose the part of my job that I enjoy the most is innovation and coming up with new ideas, being able to see those ideas through to fruition and to operation in the plant. We've got about 8 computers in our network with the file server, and they're mostly used for accounting purposes, but also for our production. Our computers do need to be running seamlessly, and that's where I guess we thank Computer Care that they are, because it is important. Like so many companies today, we've got to a point where we rely on the computers completely, and without them we don't really have a true manual backup system to get us by. Computer Care has picked up some bugs and viruses for us, and we thought we had full protection on our file server, but in fact we didn't, and they showed that up once we had this problem. So then they suggested what we should do to upgrade to a better form of antivirus. Computer Care service is excellent. Very rarely do we even have to wait for an answer. You know, we'll ring and we get straight through. Occasionally, if they're busy, we leave a message and they always get back to us. I've just found them totally reliable. I'd have no problem recommending Computer Care to anybody else. I think it's an excellent service, and I think the price is very, very competitive.